Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Today I'm going to show you this wonderful app. The name of this app is TRAFFMONETIZER. You can see it at the top there. You can see I am online currently. Then you can see traffic sold. I have sold 750.46 MB so far. Now I'm not selling my data. For some of you that will be wondering what I'm not selling my data. This app, what it does is it converts your unused data into a token. Now all this 750 MB you are seeing here is my unused data and the traffic I have generated so far. What I mean by traffic is when you browse with your phone, you go to website, you view something, you watch movie, you play games online, or you chat online. As you do all these things, there are some data that you are not using. There are some data that is wasting. So what this app does is it will help you to convert those data that you are wasting into a token. And at the end of the day, in the same app, you can convert that token to dollar and then withdraw that token to your account. I don't know whether you're getting me. So that is what this app does. It's very, very simple. I will show you how you can download this app from Google Play Store. If you're using iPhone, go to your Apple Store. You can also download this app with your laptop. So let me go to Google Play, and then I will download this app, and then I will show you how the app looks like. So I will go to this the Google Play. All you just have to do is just type the name of the app. This is the name of the app. You search. When you search it, the app will come up. You have not installed it in your phone before. Click on install. You install it in your phone. I've already done that, so all I have to do is to open. I'll open. Now we are on this same page. So now when you're on this page, you can see service is running. That means this app is running at the background. It's taking any of my, you can see the MB have changed with this little browsing I just did. Now you can see that the MB from that 40 something has entered to 76. So this is what this app does. When you are browsing, some of all those excess data that you are wasting, it converts it to token. So at the end of the day, you are not wasting anything. You are not losing. All these greedy network providers are not stealing from you. Your data, your at the end of the day, you are converting the data that you are buying with your money to another money again that you use and buy data. So you are not losing anything. So now you can see service is running. If you click on this service is running, you will see service is stopped. So this is where you can on this app. When you on it, it will be running in the background. All you just have to do is to log out from the page. It will be running in the background. So let me show you how you can convert this whole token to money. Click on get more start. When you click on this get more start, it will take you to their website. Now the website is loading. Now this is how the website look like. You can see current balance I have. This is the dollar amount I have. You can see collect $10 to request payout. So once this money reach $10, I will request my payout. You can see how easy it is. Once this money reaches $10, I'll click and request for my payout. I will show you where you can request for your payout. Now you can see the last 24 hours I have sold 92.46 MB. This is the amount traffic sold. So now I am not selling data once again, and let me clarify this. What I'm doing is, what this app is doing is it helped me to convert my unused data. And also, if I am browsing, if I'm playing game, or if I am watching movie on YouTube or anywhere, the app also helped me to monitor and convert those excessive data that I'm using to watch those things into a token. So that is what this app does. And like this is just magic. I started using this app recently and I'm loving it. It's not battery consuming. It's not affecting any of my activity. All I just have to do is just on it, and then I will do other things I want to do with my phone. At the end of the day, I go to the app, I check how much I've made so far. Once this money reaches $10, I'll click on my withdraw. So now let me show you how you can where you can request for your payment. So all you just have to do is to click on these three dots up here. You click on these three dots, you will see dashboard, you see payment, you see referee. So now you click on this payment. I'm not going to do that because if I do that, you will see my password. I don't want to because of privacy. So once you click on this payment, you will see the rundown on how you can be able to cash out your money. It's very simple. Some of you, everybody, as long as you know how to withdraw your money from your local bank, you can actually do this. It's very simple. All you just have to do is to withdraw it to your Payoneer account, or you can also convert it to USSD, and then you send it to your wallet, and then you withdraw the money to your, convert it to Naira, and then withdraw it to your bank account. It's as simple as that. So that is how this app is. Guys, if you have any question, drop it on the comment section. If you want to get the link on how you can download this app, or you want to use my referral code, go to the description. You will see my referral code, you will see the link on how you can download the app. And then if you have any question or any problem, just drop it on the comment section. Like this video and share. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. God bless you.